2020 for Lexus GX 550, off-roading adventure meets modern luxury. The first-generation Lexus GX was an unexpected sensation, capturing the hearts of luxury SUV enthusiasts with its opulence and off-road capabilities back in 2004. Fast forward to 2024, and we have the all-new Lexus GX 550, a contemporary take on the rugged yet refined outdoor adventure vehicle. As an owner of the original LX 450, I was eager to experience this modern iteration during a thrilling off-road adventure near the iconic Mount Fuji in Japan. Although my time with the pre-production prototype was brief, it left me eagerly anticipating the official launch of the third-generation GX, acing the pre-test. It's essential to note that the GX I drove were pre-production prototypes, showcasing their unique character with mismatched paintwork. My off-road experience was confined to 2 laps of a specially designed course at the Fuji Motor Speedway. An engineer accompanied me, offering guidance to keep the SUV in low-range 4-wheel drive mode throughout the journey. Despite these limitations, the course illuminated the GX 550's most outstanding advantage over its US market counterpart, the 2020 for Toyota Land Cruiser. Exclusive to the Lexus GX is the next-generation electronically controlled version of Toyota's Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System (EKDSS). This innovative system employs sensors within the front and rear anti-roll bars to detect wheel movement during off-road driving, selectively disengaging the relevant stabilizer bar to enhance wheel articulation. Unlike the previous mechanically engaged KDSS, the electronic version can independently control the front and rear sway bars, improving individual wheel control without compromising roll stability. Out on the challenging off-road course, featuring alternating undulations and dips, the GX 550 prototype demonstrated exceptional articulation. The vehicle remained remarkably level, even as the wheels navigated high and low terrain. This remarkable suspension composure also translated into improved traction, even when the GX found itself diagonally balanced on 2 wheels in deep ruts. It exhibited impressive stability to assist in such scenarios. The GX features a locking rear differential, ensuring it maintains or regains forward momentum. However, the Lexus engineer riding shotgun recommended a different approach, maintaining even pressure on the accelerator to allow the traction control system to work its magic. The GX quickly detected wheel spin and applied braking to the suspended tire, redirecting power to the wheel with traction, effortlessly conquering the obstacle with minimal drama. The GX also boasts the latest iteration of Toyota's Crawl Control, a low-speed cruise feature. This enhanced system, with advanced braking and wheel speed sensors, virtually eliminates the noisy ABS pulsations and clattering associated with the older GX models. Now, the driver can select a speed between 1 and 5 km per hour, 0.6 and 3 miles per hour, and focus solely on steering, while the GX masterfully manages throttle and brake application, smoothly navigating over rocks and ruts, a tease of adventure. My all-too-brief off-road encounter with the GX prototype came to an end, leaving me yearning for more. This tantalizing glimpse heightened my anticipation for this robust and capable off-road Lexus. It's evident that the GX's cabin and exterior have received meticulous attention, boasting a well-finished and attractive design, even in its pre-production state. Over trail programming. Even before its official unveiling in June, Lexus recognized the affinity its owners have for outdoor activities and off-roading. The automaker initiated the Over Trail project to explore ways to align Lexus vehicles with adventurous lifestyles. The project has given rise to the RX, NX, and RZ outdoor concepts, featuring all-terrain tires and camping accessories. Furthermore, the project may yield Lexus-approved accessories such as body armor, off-road driving lights, roof and hitch racks, and camping gear. The first tangible outcome of the Over Trail project will likely be the GX 550 Over Trail and Over Trail Plus. These models will come equipped with standard all-terrain tires, the innovative EKDSS suspension system, and an advanced terrain view camera system. Given Lexus's commitment to excellence, it's safe to assume that the production models will only enhance the off-road experience. The 2020 Ford GX Overtrail is poised to become the dream vehicle for outdoor enthusiasts, and I can't wait to get behind the wheel again early next year.